People rock. See what I did there? Now, do you know what rocks and peas have in common? No? Well, let me enlighten you. Both rocks and peas can be smashed by using different amounts of force. Not too hard, but not too soft. And a great way to test if you got it down is by trying it with your own mouse as it hovers over the subscribe button to give you weekly content and the best ingredient recipes. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of One Plate Gourmet, and I am your host, Gabe. So today we will be making something with peas. We'll make pea. What? Hold on. What are you doing here? All right. Now that the distractions out of the way, we're going to be taking a look at how to make pea soup. Let's begin, shall we? We'll be needing about 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, some salt, some freshly ground black pepper, some corn, about 1 or 2 spring onions if you like those kind of things, thyme, not rosemary. I don't know why we have this. About half an onion, and a small can of peas. You can use the big ones if you want. So we're going to start off with the usual shenanigans, mincing our onions, garlic, and slicing our scallions. Then, over medium heat, we're going to add some olive oil and saute our garlic and onions and let them sweat out for a bit before adding in our thyme and our peas to the mix, and then bring it to a boil with about 2 cups of water. They boil quicker when the lid is on, by the way. Let this boil for some time till peas are nice and soft, after which we will strain them and transfer them to a container of your choosing. Yes, even the arbitrary ones, for it is your peas, therefore your design. After settling on a container of your choice, go ahead, mash up your peas till they are nothing but paste in the eyes of the creator. Then return it gently to the frying pan with about a tablespoon of oil and just enough water to get the proper consistency. Of course, stirring and adjusting with more water as needed. Mix in a tablespoon of butter to emulsify, and like with everything else, season with salt and pepper to taste. And then, ladies and gentlemen, plate your dish. Go ahead. At this point, you can choose to top it with something. You could choose not to. I prefer to top it with some of my green onions, which I sliced up before, and the corn. Otherwise, it would have been a big waste. If you don't like green onions, then, don't. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button down below so you can get the notifications. And if you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up there. If you want to see more, go ahead and click down there. And as always, thanks for watching. I don't even know why I have this. It doesn't make any sense.